In this video, we will learn how to use quick filters, which can be added to any layer on the Requests, Work, Assets, and Resources tab. Filters are used to display just the records you're interested in. We will begin by adding an asset layer of signs. As you can see, we have 118 signs in our system. They are all being displayed on the map, as well as down the list below. This is a lot of records to look at. So, for the first example, I want to view only signs that are on 50th Street. To do this, I'll click on the Signs layer to select the field that I want to filter on, which will be Streets. I'll start by pressing the Add button. Then I'll go down to Streets. Next, I'll select my operator. And finally, I can scroll through the list to find 50th Street, or I could type it in. I have now created a filter that is returning only 11 records, and all these records will have the street name of 50th Street. These are the only records that are displayed in the map, as well as the list view. If I wanted to filter further and see only the signs on 50th Street that also have a backing material of aluminum, I can add another filter on a different field, set to backing material, choose an operator of is, and select aluminum as my material. I have now created an AND filter. As you can see, I only have 6 results, which are being displayed on my map, as well as down the list below. To remove a filter, I simply click on the X of that filter and it is removed. Now that I am back to just my 50th Street signs, I'll show you an example of an OR type filter. I like to see signs on another street such as 39th. To do this, I will create another sign layer. I'll add another condition, set to street is 39th. The items that are returned meet the criteria of street is either 50th Street or street is 59th Street. In the 39th Street filter, I see there are 7 records displayed, and in the 50th Street record, I still see my 11 records. This gives me a total of 18 records, and all 18 of these records are displayed in my list and map views. You will see that these records have a street value of either 50th Street or 39th Street.